Whether you are a man or a woman, we all wants to have a quality skin. We all wants to look younger. We don't want to have any wrinkles, dark spots, or when we go out on the sun, we don't want to burn our skins. We all want to look younger and healthy, and that can only be possible if you have a glowing skin. And in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can glow your skin and look more younger, and you can take a very good care of your body or of your skin. We all know that lemon is a very good fruit. It has high vitamin C and other important nutrition element which you can use for improving the quality of your skin. But before I start, I want to highlight the benefits of you taking lemons on your skin. It will help you to prevent from having wrinkles. You will start looking younger. You will not have any dark spots over your body or on your face, or your body will not get burned when you go out on the sunlight. So these are the 4 benefits which you will have if you take lemon. As we all know that lemon is a very good source of vitamin C. It has a polynomial antioxidant in that which help you to prevent any skin disease problem, and it also help you to lose weight, which I have already explained in this previous video. But here the question comes that lemon has some sort of substance which is going to be more complicated if I'll say it, but that substance, what it does, it will help and flush out all the detoxicants which you have in your body through your urinary area. So when you urinate and having lemon water, and when you urinate, you're flushing out all the detoxicant things from your body. So that will help you to give a better skin and you will feel fresh. But there are a lot of controversy around the lemon juice, that how a water can improve your skin. But one thing is for sure, that many studies have proven that once your body start having problems on your skin, like start losing moisture or is getting dry or having a wrinkle, this lemon juice can help you to maintain that and give you a nice glowing skin, which we all want to look fresh and healthy. So these are the benefits of skin if you take lemon. It's a pretty short video where I'm just covering the important benefits of taking the lemon, which help you to improve your quality of your skins. So I hope this will help you. If you are taking lemon, it's good. If you're not, you have to start taking. Again, I'm telling you, you have to start taking because it has a very good health benefits which you are missing out if you don't taking it. So see you in the next video where I will explain other benefits of lemon.